Learn to create beautiful Cowrie shell findings in seconds. All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this up real quick. All right, we're going to make it into this so we can attach it to that. Just get a length of copper wire or whatever type of wire. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is either a 20 or a 22 gauge. I can't remember. I purchased it a long time ago. And it has last. Okay, so we're just going to put this through the hole like so. And then I'm just going to just snap her like this. Make a little loopy-dee-doopy-dee-doo. Okay. Then you are going to take this side right here. Okay, so this side right here, the one that's coming from behind, and you're just going to flip it in here, straight down like this. Then you are going to go up the back. All right, over like such, the back. Okay. Then we are gonna go around this gal right here. I'm gonna go do-si-do. Round she go. You're just gonna spin it around in a circle. Okay, guys, I want to excuse my kiddo in the background. Okay, so once we get here, do you see this part? Let me see if you can see this part. The part right there, which is like sticking out. We don't want that to stick out. So we're going to take this. This is needle nose pliers. Not needle nose. I think it's a round nose. Yeah, it's a round nose plier. I had these things for years. This is a needle nose plier. So you're going to get this guy right here. And you're going to take the long part. After you do that, you're going to make a little loop by just flipping it over. That's it. Flip it over. Once you flip it over, you're going to take, while it's still holding it in, you're going to take this and flip it this way. Okay, get it to the desired. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay. Okay. And we're going to take the round nose and we're going to just spin it around in circles. All right, before I close this up, I like to make sure this guy is straight. So we'll take that needle nose and I just kind of like to gently put it back. Don't apply a lot of pressure or force on here because you don't want to break your precious wire. Okay, so put this guy back in the loop-de-loo and proceed to go underneath. So ultimately you want to wrap this underneath here. Okay, you want to hide it away. You know, they're playing hide and seek because you don't want this out, which can poke people or something. Remember, you want to deliver a great product, okay? So we're just going to tuck it underneath like so. Good. She good. All right. So that's how you do that. Now put a jump ring on that and hang her onto the earring with the holes you created. And it's done. Wallakazam. Damn. Another thing, guys, if you want to tighten this guy some more to make sure it doesn't go anywhere, take that round nose pliers, get it on there, and just twist this guy a little bit. Twist him to create that. That sucker ain't going nowhere. Done. Complete. So ready to hang. Hey guys, my name is Lana. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you learned something. If you did, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification, hit that like button, and most of all, share it. Sharing, like they say, is caring. Okay? Have a great day, guys. Deuce.